How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Living Tiny with Mr. Tiny, and this is episode 9, where I'm showcasing the Costello's houseboat right here behind me, where they have brought Living Tiny to a whole new level. So stay tuned so I can show you how you can live big while still going tiny. I am so excited to be showcasing the Costello's houseboat right here behind me for episode 9 of Living Tiny with Mr. Tiny. And why I'm so excited is because this home feels like a home away from home vacation every day, all day here. It's so inviting from the exterior appeal, and it's so welcoming to guests as well. Starting here with the exterior base of this home being the baby blue that you'll see here as well, the copper roof to match as well with the copper skirting, and then you'll see the white trim and curtains to match as well. So that is great, and that perfect contrast of colors that is so welcoming and gives you more of that Caribbean vibe that I'll show you in just a second. But starting here on the exterior, you'll see this landscaping. This is custom landscaping here, something total different than what we normally showcase, because a lot of times people put mulch, plants. Not the Costellos. They've chosen right here to go with rocks. And what they've done, if you look, is different colors of rocks. Also, we've got the turtles, we've got the fish in here as well. We have the glass bottle tree right there in the landscaping. What's so cool about those glass bottles is that they were from all over here. You can see that whether it was friends, family, different places, different trips that they went to, these all have a memory right here on these trees. And as you follow me around here, you'll see that this wraps around as well. So it's literally like the water. The home is on the water around here as well. And you'll see right there another glass tree with the glass bottles, just bringing that curb appeal for you. And as you come on back, you'll see here, there's even a shed in the same colors to match. So that's a lovely feature there for you, and brings everything and ties everything in together. So if you have any additional storage that you need to keep out of sight, you can put it right here in the additional shed. And as you follow along here, you'll see they even got their own blueberry bush right here with the blue glass bottles. We've got mushrooms in different colors and varieties here for you, as well as another bottle tree right here. So that is characteristics that are just knocking this out of the park. And you'll see, and as you come up, look how wide these stairs are that lead up to this home. And it's very easy. They're low-rise stairs that lead up here to the porch. They're coyote gray, white handrails to match, and that coyote gray Trex is going to match the coyote gray Trex decking on the porch. And as you follow me around here, you'll see that they have the white vinyl handrails going throughout. They have the curtains right here that make it feel like I'm telling you, like a vacation right here. And as you come around, you'll see that this is so embodying with this 10-foot side porch. If you look, it looks like you're in Margaritaville as we speak, with some of the signs and some of the tin that is up here showcasing that. And you also have the TV right there as well. So that way you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the space. You even have a glass of lemonade right here for you as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour me a glass right here. Thank you, Miss Costello, for making that handmade lemonade for Mr. Tiny here. Oh, not only does she make a great tiny home, her and Mr. Costello, they knocked that out of the park, but also this lemonade is out of this world. And as you can see, the seating that they have here, even if you sit back, close your eyes, take a sip of a beverage, adult if you need to, listen to this waterfall, it literally feels like you are on vacation here on this model. So that's why they even, and this is a true story, they have a flag that they put up from time to time for guests that they'll put outside, raise the flag, and raising the flag means it's margarita time. So if any neighbors see that the flag is up, they're coming over because it's margaritas for everybody. So this is the happening spot right here on their home. And as you can see, just some signs there, even with the additional storage that they have here, just how they decorated it goes out of this world, because you have the shelves, even a miniature tree right there to match the trees that are in the landscaping. And keep in mind, when you live this way, everything is going to be okay, as you see right here. And we even have the parrot up there hanging out, chilling on the vacation area. And as you see, this home even has 2 exterior accesses, one right there into the bedroom. And then instead of going with the standard 36-inch door, the Costellos chose to add the French door. So that was a great option, because not only is it more space for you when you have guests over, that everyone can just open it up and everyone can get in with ease, but also when they bring in any groceries, furniture, custom appliances that I'll show you in a second, they can bring those in as well very easily. So follow me inside while I showcase how you can live big while still going tiny, literally. And as you see right here behind me, that the client has chosen to add custom features. Knock, knock. Ooh, what do we got? Milk and butter, anyone? You can add your own appliances. That's the thing, when I tell you all the time, you don't have to take the ones that we have. You can sit there and say, Mr. Tiny, we'd like to omit the appliances. We're going to add our own after delivery. So that's what the Costellos have done here. They put in a custom fridge, custom stove, and custom countertops. As you see right here, this is going to be a fan favorite, I can tell you right now. This is actual recycled Sky vodka glass bottles that were crushed down to make a countertop here. The crazy thing is that this is so durable and so custom right here. I believe Mr. Costello said from a certain foot you can drop a bowling ball and the bowling ball would break before this countertop did. So you don't have to worry about maintenance on this anytime soon. This is going to be here to last. And as you see here behind me, of course, the blue countertops wrap around, bringing a nice contrast to this kitchen, but also the white farmhouse double basin sink right there with a detachable sprayer. You have the window up above, but I love this soffit being finished out because clients can add things like this, their own personal decor, like the shells that you see here, the under the ocean vibe, because it's literally making this home feel like it is just out of this world. It is literally a vacation, even though when they're not on the road traveling, they're staying here. So this is their vacation even when they're home. And as you follow around here, plenty of prep space. And what I love about this particular floor plan by the name of the Meadowview is that it's a corner kitchen. So you get all this abundance of countertop and all this space. But what's great, again, I told you they added their own appliances. They chose to add their own stove, their own microwave that they finished out here. And then they have the gray painted cabinets, I should say, with the nickel bar pulls. And that contrast with the gray cabinets, the blue countertops, the subway tile backsplash with the dark grout to bring out the gray in the cabinets, might I add. All that goes together lovely. And even this island here is on wheels, so you can roll it around any direction that you need to when you have guests. And what's so great about 399 square foot of living when you come to Recreational Resort Cottages is even here in the living area, you can accommodate full-size furniture. As you see they've done here, they said, forget the couch, we want recliners. So they have double recliners right here for you. And then another custom feature that you'll see right here, they have shutters over all of the windows. So they said, forget it blinds, we're going with the shutters. And look at the clear stories up top with those shutters. Does that not make it feel like a Caribbean getaway in here? And not only does it make the home more energy efficient with having those shutters there, the aesthetic is amazing. And I love that as well. And it's so easy that you can open the shutters when you need to, close them when you don't. And it's just another characteristic that you can choose to have in your home. And you can see they have the black Duffy ceiling fan here centered in the living room. And then across from that, you'll see that they have their own entertainment center right here, the TV console with a flat screen. And I told you, they like to accommodate guests here. So you've got all the goodies right there. When anyone wants to come over, have a few drinks and enjoy their vacation, they can do it right here at the Costello's home. Now, here we get to the fun part. You can see double doors. Do we pick door number 1 or door number 2? I don't know, but let's do number 2. So we're going number 2 right here. And oh my gosh, look right here. I told you this was a one-of-one floor plan. If you look at the initial Meadowview floor plan, it has an angled bedroom door and the bathroom door starts right here. What they've done is extended the wall out to accommodate full-size stackable wash machine and dryers. This is great, and it's tucked out of sight, out of mind in the bathroom. So unless you're going to the bathroom, you'll never know the stackables were here. And as you come in, look how large this bathroom is in 399 square foot of living. You can't beat it. And also, fun fact, Mr. Costello's about 6'3", if I was to take a guess. So what he chose to do is in the bathroom have elevated countertops. He said he couldn't have it low. He said I need it up high to brush my teeth, do what I need to do, shave. And he's got that right here. So those are ideas and things that you can add to your tiny home if you wish. And what I love is that they have the floating cabinet here, so it adds even more space for them to accommodate the items that they need to. And then the decor right here, just bringing that vibe all together and bringing it to life. And then again, the shutters up top. But what I love is the custom glass door for their tile shower that they've added into this home. And you can see here that that opens up, and it is a tall glass door there with the Carrera tile in the shower, with even a mosaic accent band running through the shower with a built-in niche and the corner soap dishes that you see in there. That is great and lovely. Now, if the bathroom's looking like that, let's keep it moving right here into the bedroom. And oh my gosh, going back to California King, right here in a 399 square foot tiny home bedroom. See, look at this. Look how much space you can actually have in a tiny home if you come and get a tiny home from the right people, and that's here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And as you'll see right here, they've got a California king size bed with even enough space for nightstands on each side of the bed. This is lovely, and I'm telling you, this feels like, it feels like a hotel, or, yeah, I mean, it feels like, I want to say keep saying vacation, because that's what it feels like. I feel like I'm not even in a tiny home that I sell anymore. They've turned it away, turned it around, changed the game with this and the decor that they have in here. I feel like this is an island retreat. And what I love also is that they have the 8-drawer dresser right here centered, and even the countertops. Did you miss this? Because let me tell you about it. Even the countertops in the bathroom and right here on top of the dresser is crushed glass. This is great. That makes this, and again, just as durable as the kitchen countertops as well. We have the double barn doors here. Again, the decor just brings everything to life. And as you can see here, they have the flat screen TV right there in the bedroom, so you can lay in bed, watch some TV, and enjoy this 399 square foot of living. So keep in mind, these are items and features that you can add to your tiny home. Now follow me back out and look how this opens up right here. And real quick, I want to show you, look at these pictures right here on the wall. This is what you can do when you choose the tiny home lifestyle. You can see Miss Costello right there enjoying a nice beverage right there on the beach. And this is from all over. You got Punta Cana here, you got Belize here. There's plenty of places that they've gone, and that's why they love having a home like this, because even when they're at home, they still feel like they're away. But that's the thing, when you do not have to worry about the overhead of a traditional mortgage and you downsize, you got a lot more time to have vacations. So that's what they do here. And this is their home base, but most of the time they're traveling, they're retired, they've worked hard, and now they're enjoying the fruits of their labor by downsizing to a home like this. And keep in mind, like I said, this home is 399 square feet. This particular model is 15 feet wide. As far as length, this particular model, including the 10-foot front porch, is going to be around 35 feet in length, including the porch. And if you were to buy it today, before the custom features like the countertops, the custom glass doors, the appliances that they've added themselves, this home would sell for around $90,000, exactly as you see it. So this is great, and I'm just trying to bring here to the Living Tiny series how you can live big while still going tiny in these homes, and the Costellos are proving it right here with their one-of-a-kind 399 square foot tiny home. So I also want to tell them thank you so much for entrusting in our company and entrusting in their sales agent, Tyler, to take care of them with this particular sale. And they wanted to give a shout out to him because he brought their vision to life. So here at Recreational Resort Cottages, this is what you can do. If you have a vision and you want to make a few changes here and there to the floor plan, you can do some things like that that blow it out of this world. And that's what the Costellos have done right here on episode 9. So hopefully you have enjoyed this as much as I have. And if you have, leave a like right now, as well as a comment. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Costello's home was. And that way you can let us know what you would like to include in your upcoming home as well. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed like you should be, then you know I'm coming out with videos every week. So that way you can stay tuned and be here whenever I feature a new home on our channel. And also, I just want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Living Tiny with Mr. Tiny series. And thank you one more time, the Costellos, for letting me do this. And it was a pleasure. And I just thank you guys. And I'm so grateful for choosing Recreational Resort Cottages as the company to provide you with your forever home. And until next time, guys, I will see you on the next Living Tiny with Mr. Tiny. Y'all have a great day.